Alright guys, what's up? I'm here doing a photo shoot. So basically I'm here trying to photograph this lot with the drone. I'll get 1 or 2 pictures with the camera, but I'm trying to photograph this lot with the drone to show the boundaries. It's here on the west side of El Paso, so completely on the other side of town. I couldn't really record prior to coming in because there's security at the gate and it was kind of a pain to get in. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you through the process, set up my mount with my dad gang hat, and show you how I get drone shots, and then I'll show you in post later where I set the boundaries of what the lot, how big the lot is, and yeah, let's go from there. This is actually on a really sketchy rock. Let me record so you can see. So we're at a slope right here, and I'm using the rock to even it out. So this is pretty sketchy. My dirty car, don't judge, it's pretty dirty. But yeah, let's go see what we can create. So I'm a dummy and I forgot the SD card that goes in the Insta360 one. So I'm taking it out of the drone, since the drone has internal storage, and putting it in here. I do like them apples. Using the DJI Air 2S. And by the way, I am a licensed drone pilot. Part 107. Right there, there you go. Look at that bad boy. Alright. So now you guys can kind of see what I'm seeing. Alright, so now the phone is recording what the drone sees, and then I'll show you the finished product. But so basically, the lot is as big as those 3 houses in the back, and I'll highlight it right here on the screen. Trying to just get all the angles. I'll remove me in post, it's fine. These houses are like hundreds of thousands, if not millions, which in El Paso is pretty dang good. Just trying to get all angles, top down angle, left side, right side of the property, and I'll edit me out because I'll just blend myself in the car into the street, which is not too bad. But let me get an up close shot of what it looks like. So the house is aligned with these 3 houses right here. So I'm going to just line it up and then just do a full turnaround so I can get what it would look like if that was the house. Okay, so now this is where we get inside the car. I'll get a little bit of a video just so you can see the street name, where the house is supposed to be, just for the realtor to use if he wants to use it. Yeah. All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here is what the drone sees right now. So this is the lot, so I will come back to it. I'm gonna start in the entrance way, which is over here where the security is, because this is a guarded neighborhood. So I'm gonna fly it along this street. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'll look it up later. So I can have it as we start off the street, you can go through the security gate, and he can mark it that it's a security guarded neighborhood. So I looked around, there's no wires, there's no telephone poles in this area, at least, so we're good. And I'm flying pretty high, I'm at 32 meters above. So let me start along this. And right now I'm gonna change it to sport mode because I want it to be kind of fast. So going down the street, and then you make a left where this car is going, and I'll track it in After Effects later. But And then I'll put a pin right there, probably to show. And I was flying pretty close right there. So I'll just go like this, line it up with those 3 houses, and bam, show like the hero entrance shot, like that. And I'm at 4K 60, so I can slow it down in post. But that way, they can see and get an idea and probably picture their house being built there. So right here, I parked in front of this house, super nice house, so that you can't really see me in the video. But basically, I'm gonna have like the pin right there, just showing what your life could be. Yep. Okay. And so what you really want to do whenever you're doing real estate is you want to buy into the vision. So you're not the one physically selling the house, but you want to sell the vision so that it appeals to the realtor's potential clients. So you want to appeal to the potential buyers, and that's why the realtor hires you, is because the realtor tells you, hey, this is my vision for the home, this is what appeals, this is what sells, and you want to highlight that. And the psychology behind it is that I try to use and practice is, can people see themselves in what you're trying to sell? So if you are trying to sell this home, can people see themselves living in? And that's the vision that you want to get in their head. And that's what I try to practice. So enough with that. Let me just get one last shot showing what the lot is. I'll back it up and I'll just start going down slowly so you can see the lot. And I try to do nice fluid movements. And I was getting pretty close to this mountain right here, and I can hear the drone outside. But yeah, let's just get one last shot like this, kind of showcasing the area. Boom. Okay. All right, we can do something with that. Let me get out of the car and figure it out. All right, guys. So if you guys found some value in this, if you guys liked watching and you guys liked what I had to say, please consider dropping a like, a comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Again, this is Michael Duncan, a videographer from here in El Paso, Texas, and I'm just trying to bring some fresh air and a new perspective into the world of photography and videography. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, Duncan Photography out. All right, guys, what's up? Nope, it's not the intro. It's not the intro.